Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you would like to use the blur filter in your CapCut videos in your MacBook or your PC, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So the process for using this is same in your PC as well as your MacBook. So follow along. First of all, launch your CapCut application and then click on Import, add a project. As you can see, I have this project right here. If you would like to add a blur effect, here is what you should do. You will see effects here at the top bar. Click onto it and then simply type in blur. Click enter and you will see various blurs. In my case, I would like to go ahead with this one. All you have to do is double click and then drop it down right here. Now you can also maximize or minimize the size of the blur. In my case, I would like to minimize it and I only want to blur in my intro video. So let's go ahead, pin it to the intro and let's go ahead, play it. And just like so, this is how you can do it. If you want longer filter, expand this blur effect and play your video. And this is how it will look. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.